What's going on, guys? Back with another video. It's still Sunday. It was the day of the last video. It's probably going to come out on the same day too. I'm going to edit and upload tonight. The Miata's been having a weird issue, or not a weird issue, a known issue. It just doesn't really have an interior light, like no real good interior light. Both the ones, the passenger one, like on the dash works sometimes, the one on the driver works sometimes. So we're going to replace, or not replace, but put these lights in. They're just mini LED strips, and we're going to put them under the dash. Hopefully give us a, like, you know. So first what we got to do is wire in this box, and we're going to wire the box in directly to where like the already light is, like right there on the other side of the tombstone. That way it still works with the door jar switches and everything. So we're going to pop out that light in there, and we're going to see what we have to do to wire this in. Okay guys, this took a couple minutes to figure out, but I've completely figured it out. This is the switch from the passenger side. It does have a plug. It's a little harder to unplug, but it isn't that bad. These are the two wires that I need for the interior lighting that I'm putting in. The all black one is the ground, which I hooked up to that screw right there with a little eyelet hook. You can see it. And then the power, I actually fixed the power completely because this one always had an issue. It's supposed to be soldered right here. I want to make sure you guys can see this. Right there, it's supposed to be soldered, but I ended up putting one of those because it fit better. I extended the wire and I just put both of these in at one. That's going to give me my power. So we got power right there, ground right there, yellow or white is going to be your switch, so don't even worry about that, just let it be. Now we're going to plug that in and it should be ready to go. Let's see if it works. Alright guys, the light's in and the power works. I tested it to our lights. Now I'm going to hide this in the glove box, that way I can still pick power and mode and everything, like put it on the side. And we're going to run these to under each footwell. So let's do that. Okay guys, I got the finished product here. It's not super bright, but you can see I put it on like the air changer box right there. All the wires run behind the dash, behind the radio. It runs through a little switch panel right here. So you can see, and I can show you, I can change the modes. So that's dim. That's flashing, and that's bright. Actually, no, that's bright. That other one was dim. So then again, you have, I guess that's fading, flashing, light, bright, and then you can pick the colors here too. Show you that. There we go. So let me show you what I did on the other side too. Okay, on this side you can see we have it here too. I ended up putting it on the steering like shaft, but that does not spin, so that's not a worry. I also zip tied it on the top and bottom. That way it can never come down. My biggest fear is that to like come on my brake pedal and then, you know, I'm not gonna be able to brake or something. So yeah, that's the little install. I'll show you guys how the switch works too, I guess. So the switch works just like OEM, it still works and everything. We got off, door, and then, sorry, it's hard to adjust. And then on, turn that off so the camera can come back. So, I know this video was short, guys, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. I just needed a little, kind of like a filler video for Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a great day, guys.